occasionally I come out here and find that somebody's been using the wrong tool for the wrong job, and it ends up breaking things. Hey, welcome back to the garage. This is a pan and box brake. It's made for bending sheet metal. And this is what happens when someone tries to bend 1/4-inch bar stock with it. So, looks like we've got some repairs to do. Let's get into it. There we go. Pulled it out with nothing but a cold chisel and a hammer. So now I have to repair or remake another handle. Now that thread pitch looks right. Come on, focus. So it is a 10 by 1.5. Looking in my scrap pile, I have a breaker bar that's been broken off. So I should be able to cut this off, turn that down, and then thread it. So that should work out just fine. There we go. And now we can bend sheet metal again until somebody decides they want to bend, 1/4-inch round bar, of course. Thanks for watching.